I was looking through my settings recently and I realized I've been sending my personal data to OpenAI without even knowing it. If you use ChatGPT for work, health advice, or private thoughts, your data might be training their next model. Today I'm showing you the 5 settings in ChatGPT that you need to turn off right now to take back some of your privacy. First and most importantly, improve the model for everyone. By default, OpenAI uses your conversations to train their AI. That means a human reviewer could eventually see a version of what you type, especially if you have names included in your chat. So we are in the free version of ChatGPT, so just go to your top right hand corner, open the sidebar, and then scroll to your name, JA, and then if you click on it, you can see your settings over here. Click on it again, and this will pop up. So this is the free version of it. So go to data controls, and then you can see that the improve the model for everyone is actually default turn on without you knowing. So click on it and then turn this off by flipping the toggle. Sometimes a bit buggy, even though I switch it off, it will still say it's on. So do it a few times, make sure it's off, and then also including your audio and video recordings, make sure it's turned off as well. So click on done and make sure you see it's off. If not, just repeat it. To do this in your ChatGPT app on your mobile phones, I have an iPhone right now, so I'm just going to go to my settings. You can see data controls already here in the settings. So if you're in the ChatGPT Pro version, you can also do the same. Go to settings, then go to data controls, and then you can see the location. So this is only for people who are paying for ChatGPT. It's great if you want any local recommendations, news, and weather. But the ChatGPT really needs to know your location, since it can build a profile on you and trace all your preference to you. And ChatGPT recently wants to add ads to ChatGPT and then remote browser data. This is also available for only Plus users. So if you click on it, it says if you're using AI agents, it will keep the cookies between the sessions. So web browsers, they have cookies, they store some information of your session. Sometimes you'll wonder why some of your YouTube preference, it's really similar to what you have watched even though you're not signed in. That is because of the cookies that is storing inside your local web browser. I recommend to turn it off, but if you want more convenience for the sake of privacy for your agent, then feel free to let it on. But for now, let's just turn it off and delete any remote browser data. Bonus tip for everyone is that you can actually delete all your chats if you are not using it anymore. Or you can just export your data before deleting. So if you are exporting the data, they will ask you to verify your email. OpenAI will send all your ChatGPT data to your email. Next is memory. So if you go to personalization, you can scroll down and see all this information about you. I just remove it because I want it to know as little as about me as possible. Otherwise, they can use my data against me in the future. I just turn it on for convenience sake so that you can reference some of my chat histories. Without it, having to tell it again and again about information about me. But yeah, you can definitely turn it off if you want for more privacy, and you click on manage. You can also try to delete. Click on this 3 button and delete all memories. Another bonus tip for Plus users, if you have using custom GPTs, make sure if you go there that the builder of this GPT cannot view your conversation, because sometimes whatever you type into this conversation, asking this custom GPT for help, they will send some information to them, but I don't believe they will send your personal information like your name, so just be cautious. So it's just about whether you want convenience or you want privacy. It's very hard to have both at the same time in this AI world. A lot of them is preference, but I'm just trying to keep some of my most important data off the web as much as possible, especially since we are heading towards this AI future. Thank you very much. If you find this helpful, make sure to click the like button and subscribe if you want more AI productivity content. See you in the next video. Peace.